From the bottom to the tippy, I'm bringing all my dogs with me, cause
we all we got.
We want the payments, but it's just a compensation for the days that we awaited and knowing we was the greatest.
Yeah.
We concentrated together and congregated, knowing if we ever make it, it was sacred, cause
we all we got.
Yeah. Together forever, whatever the weather, no weapon can sever the ties. Together we better in getting this cheddar, my brothers will never divide. And here's a word to the wise, never cross that line, we all ready to ride. Yeah.
When your heart start pacing and your mind start racing, just remember that
we all we got.
From the bottom to the tippy, I'm bringing all my dogs with me, cause
we all we got.
Yeah.
Good morning, traders. This is Rich with Breathingwiththemarkets.com. Today is May 4th. 2026. I hope you did well in the market. I had some issues with Rhythmic today. I was using the Quantower platform. I was trading with Take Profit Trader, and Rhythmic had failed me numerous times. There's been one instance where I wasn't even able to close my trades. Went into the Rhythmic RTrader Pro and wasn't able to close them there either. So something was wrong with Rhythmic today. I reached out to Take Profit Trader and let them know. So once again, who does that hurt and who does it benefit? It hurts the trader and it can benefit the prop firms, right? If you're not able to close your trades, you're not able to get out of your trades, or you have open trades with no TP or stop loss, they just run randomly, right? And who does that hurt? Again, the traders. That's why I tell you each and every day, you need a skill in the market. But those that don't listen and those that don't think that they need a skill in the market are gambling, and they'll end up losing everything they have. That's a fact. Let's go ahead and get into today's performance. And remember, I had my trading day short and therefore couldn't trade and hit the moves up and down. Let's go ahead and see what I was able to get out of the market. My profit today was $1,912 in gold coins. My commissions, $79.50. The net P&L for these accounts, 1,833 gold coins, 159 trades, 113 winning trades, and my hit rate today was 71.07%. 71.07%. I want to talk about the hit rate. I showed a video over the weekend having a group session with some of the traders, and they saw my trade, and I was green on every execution throughout my trading, and I was up about $1,800 through that trading video. I didn't lose any trades, to my knowledge. I didn't lose any trades. And my hit rate was still, I think, I forget what it was now, 80 or something like that. But it should have been 100%, right? You would think. So don't actually believe everything you see, right? Believe half of what you see and nothing you hear. You either have a skill or you don't. A skill you don't have to talk about. You can show your skill. People can actually see that you have a skill without communication, right? Let's go ahead and check out another photo. Here we are. As you can see, these orders rejected. Tons of them. There was tons of orders being rejected. Remarks, not connected. Why? I don't know. But Rhythmic was having an issue, and it was through Take Profit Trader. It says market order rejected. That was around 7:45, 15 minutes after the market opened. And it says not connected to exchange. Let's get into that. Not connected to exchange. You see that down there? Not connected to exchange. So for all of those fakes out there, all of those people that think that they trade on a live account, that those traders are better than those that trade on a sim account, prop firm account, whatever account you want to call it, they're full of shit. I'm calling them all out. They're full of crap. Okay. Did you see that rejection notice down there? Not connected to the exchange. Is it a fake exchange? No, it's not a fake exchange. The data feed is coming from somewhere connected to a live market, but your actual orders are not going to the live market, right? It's going to a simulated account, but the exchange is the same, meaning that you're getting the same data, similar data, almost to the T type of data, right? Think about it. If one or the other is lagging, that would not be good for any of the prop firms for the live market, right? So when you are purchasing data or data feed, live data to practice, whatever it might be, even though you're in a simulated account, it is live data, right? It's just your orders are not routed to the live exchange. Very simple. Very, very simple. Very simple concept. So for all those fake ass gurus out there that say that trading on a sim account is not the same as trading on a live account, they're full of shit. Tell them I said they're full of shit. Okay? Because they are. Trading is trading. You either have a skill, either you can catch a football in the football game, or you can catch the football at practice, right? The skill is there. You can either catch it or you can't catch it. You're either consistent or you're not consistent. You're either fake or you're real. And 99% of all of you are fake in gambling. That's correct. 99% of all of you are fake and or gambling. That's a fact, right? So today's profit was about $1,800 and something profit on those accounts. It is what it is. I was limited in what I could do today. And remember, if you want to learn how to trade on a daily basis, come on over to breathingwiththemarkets.com and I will teach you 101. Okay. I will actually teach you 101. And I want to shout out to Noah, Noah's birthday. Happy birthday, Noah. One of the traders today. And he started to actually record how he's trading and walk through his trade. And it's helping him. Accountability, right? Accountability. Hearing yourself walk through your own trades, right? And talking and communicating yourself as to what you're going to do next. Because I teach the traders how to trade objectively in the market each and every day and how to start at zero. They can take a methodical approach, walk them through their trades as the candles are printing, understanding, knowing where they're going to hit the pullback, and understanding the direction of the market. That is called trading. That is not called gambling. And that's what 99% of you out there are doing. You're following fakes. You're paying for education that's very basic. I don't have basic education over here. I just have a basic price. And that price is nothing compared to the education that you're going to receive with me, 101. I hope you have a great day. I hope to see you soon at breathingwiththemarkets.com, and I will change your trading for life. Have a great day. Peace, traders.